Perhaps one of the best dropship never built was the Cargomaster class. Designed as military cargo transports in the late Star League era, the Cargomaster was a prototype dropship that never entered full production. Federated-Boeing Interstellar, a former Terran Hegemony Star League company now in the Federated Suns, designed a new class of dropship to replace the aged yet still venerable Mule-class DropShip. Larger and fitted with more powerful engines, the Cargomaster could carry more cargo in one of its 4 unique cargo bays than the Mule could in a single ship. These specially designed cargo bays were all interconnected, with the ability to be isolated in the event of an emergency such as a fire, a catastrophic failure, or a hull breach. What really made the Cargomaster's base unique, however, is that they were fully automated and self-loading. Completely computerized, this self-loading system was a cargo team's dream. It reduced the manpower normally assigned to the base to none. The crew could handle the loading without taking one extra member just for working the cargo base. Star League accepted the design and asked them to produce a civilian model called the Cargo King. The Cargomaster was armed at each angle with an ER large laser and a mixed supportive weaponry. 3 ER PPCs in the front, 2 medium lasers, 1 ER PPCs and an LRM-20 at the sides, and 2 medium lasers in the back. All LRM-20s were outfitted with Artemis IV fire control systems and carried 132 rounds of ammunition. Pre-production began on the Cargomaster in 2781, when Federated-Boeing started to build their newest facilities around Galax. The Galax Megaplex was completed in December of 2786, after the fall of the Star League and the exodus of the Star League Defense Force. The port naval yards were authorized to begin production on the Cargomaster line, and the first Cargomaster left the assembly line in 2790 after major delays in construction as a result of the First Succession War. The ship completed its test trials in good order and passed final inspection. Unfortunately, the fate of the Cargomaster class was to be short-lived indeed. At the time of the design's original commission, the presence of the Star League ensured that the inner sphere would remain stable. Resources were high. The cost of such a ship, while expensive, was nothing to be concerned with. By the time the first Cargomaster rolled off the production lines, however, the universe was a very different place than the one in which it had been conceived. An expensive and prolonged war was costing tremendous amounts of both money and material, including dropships. Deemed a waste of resources, the technologies to manufacture the Cargomaster class were suddenly too prohibitive to continue. The prototype was dismantled and its parts were used elsewhere.